guys, so welcome to a new vlog, guys. This is a new year vlog, and right about now this is New Year Eve. It's 31st of 2021 December, the last day of this year. I can't wait to be able to see the new year. So right now I'm just from working, by the way. I just came to change the t-shirt and I was wearing the jeans so that I go shop everything I need for dinner tonight and tomorrow when we're celebrating New Year. So I'm at my place. I didn't go home for New Year because I just thought that we celebrated Christmas with them. So right here I'm with my boyfriend. I'm gonna celebrate New Year with my boyfriend, and I can't wait to share with you guys snippets of it, everything that we did for New Year. It's simple, by the way, nothing much. So right about now let's go shop, and then we come and continue with this vlog. Okay, so we're gonna talk more when we hit 2021. For now, enjoy the video, guys, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and comment below. So let's go shopping. Hey guys, so this is all I got. Just a mini grocery haul. Got my soda. I have here, this is rice. It's a very local rice called Fatma, and it's really good, guys. Really good. I have sugar, I have bread, I have tomatoes, I have spaghetti. So right now I'm cooking spaghetti with fried chicken. Check out my recipe on my recipe playlist. I have fruits here, mangoes, watermelon, have my green bell pepper, and some mini bites here for breakfast. This is chicken, guys. This is for tomorrow's meal. And I have some lemon, garlic, and I have mala here. You can guess the meal that I'm gonna cook with that. By the way, this present right here, I know this is new to you guys, so I got this as Christmas present for Santa at work. You are just gifting each other, and so beautiful. I'm so grateful. It's such a nice, thoughtful gift. Yes, so that's basically it. Let me cook and shower. Food is ready, guys, so just wanna serve, eat dinner, and then I shower, I prepare because we're going to town. It looks delicious, delish. Hey guys, so I'm all dolled up. Very quick makeup, by the way, because I'm late. So I decided to go to Mama Ngina so that I can go and experience fireworks, guys. So see you when we hit 2022, okay? Let's go. I'm looking gorgeous in a black dress and my sneakers. Yes, that's the outfit for tonight. Let's go.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Good morning, guys. It's 2022. Yeah, happy new year. Happy new year, guys. I couldn't wish you at the park because there's so much music going on there, and we don't want to be copyrighted here. So I did wish you, but I couldn't upload that part because I don't want my video to be copyrighted. Okay, so guys, happy new year. I'm just here to wish you happy new year, guys. I'm just wishing you to have a joyful, prosperous new year. May you be blessed in everything you do. May you find joy, may you find peace, may you find everything that God has to offer in your life. May your heart desires be fulfilled this year. Thank you so much for always coming back here, supporting me. I thank you so much, guys, for the love. For 2021 we grew, and I'm so happy, and I know that this year also we're gonna grow. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough, by the way, guys. I can't thank you enough. You've been amazing to me, and I appreciate you a lot. You're my family, and I love you, my Furaha squad. Happy new year. Happy new year, guys. So it's morning, and as you know, we have to celebrate. The celebration continues. Okay, so I just want to make breakfast, and then I'll prepare lunch. Yeah, so let's make breakfast. So I came to make breakfast, guys, but look at this mess. We did the most yesterday. What? So I think I'm gonna wash these utensils and just start the breakfast. I don't need to show you this part, so let me just put on music, wash my utensils, and then I'm gonna show you when I'm making breakfast. Okay, as I'm washing my utensils, I wanna defrost this because this is what I'm gonna make for breakfast, and this is the chicken I'm gonna use to cook for lunch. So I just want to remove it from the freezer and let it defrost as I do the rest, so that can be easier for me.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire
taking breakfast, but it's not really breakfast because we took breakfast around 12. So we just chilled and we're just remembering how yesterday it was awesome. It was just nice energy, right vibes with my friend Doreen and her family, with my boyfriend. It was so much fun, guys. The fireworks, we danced a lot. Like when you see us, we were just all over dancing. We didn't care who's looking. Like we had fun. It was just fun in the simplest ways possible because there's nothing much we did, just hanging around waiting for New Year. There were so many musicians there. Alikiba was there, Otile, Nyasiski, and it was so much fun. Like we really enjoyed. So right now I just wanna make this like dinner because it's around 3 and I'm gonna cook chicken biryani. I'm not gonna explain like a recipe. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing, and if you want to see a full recipe just comment below. But I have a beef biryani recipe up, so it's just the same procedure, only that you can substitute beef with chicken. So make sure you check it out. I uploaded it recently, so just go check it out if you want the full recipe of this meal. So for right now, just enjoy watching me cooking and salivating, of course. Let's cook, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, so I finished cooking and I freshened up. I'm in this cozy sweater and some shorts. So it turned out to be dinner actually and not lunch, and I expected that because there was a lot to cook and the food turned out perfect, guys. Like, it's the perfect way to start this new year. And it's like a date with my babe. We are just two of us, so we just want to enjoy dinner and catch up and just talk a lot about this new year and just planning, and just chill and bond. Okay, so that's basically my new year dinner, and it's so yummy. So make sure you check out my recipe in the playlist. That is beef biryani. If you want me to do the chicken biryani, I'm gonna do it, but it's the same recipe. Just substitute beef with chicken and you'll get a perfect biryani. Very easy to cook. So in this one, I did the most simple way of cooking it. Like, I just mix everything and you get your biryani. So I just want to set up where we're gonna eat, and then I show you what we're gonna eat and maybe taste it for you guys. So let's do that. So that's basically our dinner, guys. It looks so yummy, and trust me, it is yummy. So make sure you follow my recipe playlist and just try these recipes, guys. And when you try them, just come and let me know. Okay, I need your feedback so that I know, are these recipes working for you guys? Do you enjoy my food content? And if you do, make sure you comment below and let me know. And how was your new year, guys? Because for me, basically, it was just hanging out with my friends and with my boyfriend to see fireworks, and we just had a good time. And now just having quiet dinner and just relax and reflect on everything and how we want to see this year unfolding, and praying to God that to see us through. And I'm really praying that everything that you desire, everything that you're planning right now, God may God see you through this year, and may everything that you desire come true. And I bless you because you've been such a blessing to me, and I thank you. I can't thank you enough, guys. So I hope that we get to bond more, we get to share content, we get to learn together, and we get to grow together this year. Thank you so much for the support that you've shown me throughout 2021, and I appreciate you so much. Happy New Year, guys. See you on the next video. Let me enjoy this dinner with my babe, and I'll just let me just end it here in short. Thank you.